Welcome to Perspective Lab, where we break down complex topics into clear, understandable insights. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video that cuts through the noise. Today, we're looking at a quiet but powerful shift: how big tech layoffs are reshaping the job market. In recent months, some of the world's biggest tech companies have announced waves of layoffs. Google, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft, all trimming thousands of jobs. The headlines make it sound sudden, dramatic, and alarming. But beneath the numbers, something more subtle is happening. Hiring patterns are changing. Career paths are shifting. And the effects will ripple across the entire job market, quietly, but deeply. Let's look at what the numbers tell us. Since 2022, tech companies have reduced headcount by hundreds of thousands of employees worldwide. Job postings in software, cloud, and AI-related roles are cooling. At the same time, venture funding is slowing. Startups are tightening budgets and cutting staff. The picture is clear: growth is still happening, but the era of rapid expansion is over. Not all employees are affected equally. Contractors, junior staff, and non-critical teams are often first to go. Senior engineers and management are usually protected, at least initially. This creates a visible gap. Headline layoffs grab attention, but the deeper market impact is on mid-level professionals who are hardest to replace. Layoffs are not uniform across locations. Tech hubs like Silicon Valley and Seattle see the largest immediate impact. Smaller cities with emerging tech sectors feel a delayed, secondary effect. And it's not just software companies. Adjacent industries, advertising, content creation, and consulting, are also seeing quieter job contractions. Even companies that aren't laying off staff are slowing hiring. Roles that were once easy to fill are taking longer to recruit. Salary growth is cooling, and signing bonuses are being reduced. For job seekers, this means more competition and higher expectations for experience. As full-time opportunities shrink, contract work is becoming more common. Freelance roles, short-term projects, and consulting gigs are growing quietly. These jobs offer flexibility, but also less security, fewer benefits, and uneven income. The workforce is shifting toward a hybrid of stability and precarity. Salary growth in tech is slowing after years of rapid increases. Companies are still hiring selectively, but they expect more experience for the same pay. Negotiating leverage is lower for most employees, but higher for critical skill sets. This subtle recalibration affects everyone, from junior developers to senior managers. Tech layoffs also reshape career trajectories. Professionals may pivot industries, take temporary roles, or res-kill for in-demand specialties. Fields like AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity remain strong, while others face contraction. This isn't a short-term trend, it's a structural shift in how tech talent moves through the market. Job insecurity carries psychological weight. Employees may delay buying homes, changing cities, or starting businesses. Corporate culture shifts from risk-taking to caution. Even if layoffs are temporary, the fear of instability influences career decisions for years. Tech layoffs don't just affect workers, they ripple across the economy. Vendors, contractors, real estate markets, and local businesses all feel the impact. Reduced spending from tech employees slows growth in adjacent sectors. The labor market is interconnected. A quiet change in one sector amplifies across the broader economy. If you're entering or navigating the tech market, focus on skills in high-demand areas like AI, cloud, and cybersecurity. Build flexible career strategies. Contract work, side projects, or consulting can bridge gaps. Understand the market cycles. Growth will return, but competition will remain high. Preparation is key. While layoffs are unsettling, they're also part of a natural market adjustment. Companies are aligning staff with sustainable growth and profitability. Workers who adapt, reskill, and stay aware of trends will thrive. The job market isn't collapsing, it's evolving, quietly but profoundly. Big tech layoffs are more than headlines. They're reshaping the labor market, career paths, and economic dynamics. Understanding this quiet shift is essential for employees, employers, and anyone tracking the future of work. If this insight helped you, like, subscribe, and share. Perspective Lab is here to give you clear, calm, and actionable analysis, without hype or noise. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.